Yo, what's up? Back to another video. As you can see, the leaves are falling. Winter's coming. It's getting colder. So today I'm just gonna be changing into my winter tires. I bought some coilover covers today. They're in the house right now, and I want to raise the height of my car also, because I am pretty low. I think only a finger. I think the back is a little lower. Can't even put my fingers in here, but yeah, it should be too bad. Raising the coils, anti-seize it up, make sure it doesn't rust, lube up the coils, and then have the proper maintenance to make sure your coilovers last, since I have Fortunato coilovers on them, which is a little bit on the expensive side, but better buy nice than buy twice. I'm gonna do a little sweeping first in 3, 2, 1. Good enough. Now get all my stuff out. Bought a jack recently, some wheel chocks. Jack's in there. Then I'll bring the wheels out, and then let's just get to it. Alright, here's what we need for the workshop today. These are the ISC coilover covers. I think each one's different for every car. Have some coilover wrenches right here to tighten and loosen the coils, and to seize so I can lower back when it's springtime, but I'm gonna raise it up for the winter. Zip ties goes with the coilover covers to tighten it even more. Regular lug nuts for those winters, and yeah, that's torque wrenches in there. So kind of yucky, dirty. I'm gonna do a little quick cleaning in them real quick. For all my Asians who have rain water buckets, shout out to y'all. No bullshit, these are hella rusty. Alrighty, chalk the wheels, front and the two front wheels. I know I'm on a decline. My driveway has a decline, but this is the only way I'm gonna do it without like bothering anyone, because I know my homies are busy nowadays, and yeah. As long as these wheels are chalked and I have the jack, I should be fine, because I'm not gonna use jack stands since we're on a decline. I have ramps, but I can't really use ramps when I'm taking the wheels off. There's no point in that. So as long as this is holding it, we should be good. Dang, I got barely any space. No bullshit, I'm kind of scared to raise it, and it's different from the back. I might do it another time, but for now I just want to change the wheels just because I got it flat. But just gonna clean this up, spray it with some silicone lubricant, then we could wrap it up with the coilover covers. Is the coilover cover pretty simple, being held on by Velcro. There's 4 of them in there, and each car is different depending on your strut size and length. So this one's the longer one, so it's probably for the back strut. So here, I'll show you how to put it on. Easy as that. So it's pretty much covered, but I'm just gonna use some zip ties just to make it even a little tighter. There we go, that's it. Bam, that's about it. There's some space because I'm on a 16. It's a little on the small side, but it got thick tire. These winter wheels probably have like one more season in them. Then I'm probably gonna junk them or sell them for dirt cheap. But yeah, cone eggs are off. This is the one that has the leak in it. But yeah, I'm thinking of selling these wheels in the spring. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, I kind of nicked them, as you can see. My bad. But let me know if y'all are interested. 18 by 8.5 plus 33 offset, I think. They're on 235s right now. Indy Firehawks. But yeah, just gonna do it for the rest of the wheels, and then we should be good. Yeah. See y'all in the next one. Hopefully I'll be posting more soon. Peace.